Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have what I believe is the best Silverado 1500 on sale. This is the 2020 Silverado 1500 LT Trailboss with the 5.3 liter. For a while we couldn't get the 5.3, all the ones that came in were the V6, but now we got the 5.3s back in stock. And they are fantastic. I believe this is Onyx Black, black over jet black, 5.3 with the 10-speed. Total price of $51,605. Tons of rear seat room in this one, being the crew cab. Climbing in, nice and easy. Once you're in, oh, it's awesome. Bunch of different drive modes. You have trailer, tow haul, normal, sport, and off-road. Yeah, really nice interior. You can fold this up to make a lift it up to make a 3-person bench seat. Go ahead, and then low you can set your gear limiter, so if you don't want it to pass 9th gear, just use the plus and minus to set it. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out on the road. Really, the 5.3 is a great motor, tried and true. Not heard many horror stories at all with the 5.3. Heard they're pretty reliable. I love these trucks. They have such a great presence to them, and unlike the Raptor, they have a V8. Even though it is down on power on the Raptor, I don't think this was meant to be a Raptor fighter, or else they would have priced it a lot higher. Because you have to realize this truck's $20,000 less than a Raptor. That's saying something for this truck, And you get a V8. Oh, there goes my screwdriver. Bugger. You do sit quite high up. Definitely has a ton of road presence just because of how high up you are off the ground. Not as extreme as the 25 or even the 6500, but it's definitely up there. Over those bumps, not bad at all. You also have to realize that the suspension on pickup trucks can be quite stiff. You might find they bounce around a little bit. This is for good reason. They make it so these trucks are designed to be loaded, meaning there should be weight in the back for them to ride at their, well, that's not what I mean, but let's just ride a trailer. Needs to be weight in the back for them to ride the best. So they keep the springs nice and stiff so it doesn't sag down. Like you'll see some, you know, like your Toyota Tundras, when they start getting really, really heavy payloads, they'll start to sag down, and that's just not good, because then you start losing front visibility, and it starts to turn into quite a bad time, you know, where everyone starts honking. Well, it's obviously not designed for handling. It's not a slouch by any means. You know, it will handle turns and stuff like that really well. It does have a sport mode, increases throttle response, does tighten the steering just a little bit, as well as tunes the transmission to hold gears, hold revs higher. Not bad at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.